Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset all notification settings on WhatsApp. If you've been experiencing issues with your notifications or simply want to start fresh, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily reset your WhatsApp notifications to their default settings. Let's begin with opening the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Once you've launched the app, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu options. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Notifications and tap on it. This will take you to the Notification Settings page, where you can normally customize various alert preferences for messages, groups, and calls. Here's where the magic happens. In the Notifications menu, you'll notice another three dots icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal additional options. From this new menu, you'll see Reset Notification Settings. Go ahead and tap on this option. WhatsApp will then prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to reset all notification settings to their default values. This action will undo any customizations you've made to your notifications. If you're ready to proceed, simply tap Reset. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp notification settings have now been restored to their original default configuration. This reset can be particularly helpful if you've been missing important messages or if your notification sounds have stopped working correctly. Remember, after resetting, you may want to review your notification settings to ensure they align with your preferences. You can always go back and customize them again if needed. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving any notification issues you may have been experiencing with WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.